In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Facebook Messenger on your website so that your customers can chat with you through your Facebook Messenger business page. So the first thing to do is install the plugin Messenger Customer Chat. If you don't know how to install a plugin, go to Plugins, Add New, type in Messenger Customer Chat, look for the one that's made by Facebook, install and activate. Next, you're going to go to the plugin settings. So once you've activated it, on the left-hand side, look for Customer Chat. And then you're going to see this page. You're going to click on Set Up Customer Chat. But before you do that, please make sure that you're signed into your Facebook page. This will make it go a little bit quicker. So go ahead and click on Set Up Customer Chat. It's going to open up in a new tab. It's going to ask you which page you want to associate this with. So you go ahead and just scroll down your list until you find your page. If you only have one page in yours, I manage multiple, so I've got lots of different pages to choose from in here. So let's see. There's my page, and I'm going to hit continue. And it's going to ask me to add Messenger to my website, so I'm going to go ahead and hit next. And you can now edit the message. Hi, how can we help you? So change this message if you want to change it right here. Hit save when you're done. Then hit next. You can change custom colors, make the color scheme different. So if you want it to match your site, you can make it any color you want. Then hit finish. And then you're going to hit done. And now it's going to give you the code. So the code's already been added to the website, so you don't really need to do anything. Once it's done, I'm going to wait for this to finish spinning. I'm actually going to open it up in a new tab while I'm waiting. And we don't want this one. So I'm going to save changes. And then I'm going to clear my cache. And now I'm going to refresh the site. And there it is, all set. So if you don't see it right away, make sure you clear your site cache and it should automatically pop up. If you want to edit it, you can go back and edit it using the plugin settings. And that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 517-917-0582 or shoot us an email at support@yoursiteneedsme.com.
Yeah, better. Yeah. Pull! Oh! Yeah! Ooh! Yeah!